So I know this is a unique situation that after you recruit for a study, you have all the questions the evaluator wanted in your questionnaire. You've recruited fully. They come back and say, oh, but we want to know what state they're located in and what brand of car they currently drive. We didn't ask those questions, but we did ask them at some point in time, either on our initial profile or our update profile. So we can actually go in and get that information out of the database. The way we do that is through our export list. When you're in a list, you're under manage, you'll see export list. And you'll see that you export core and attribute data. This is what it does. The first thing you need to do is have a definition. So when you click on definitions, what pops up are different definitions that you have. In this case, we are going to use the car definition, which I added. If you don't see something that you need here, you could go in and create it. Just put in the name, click the plus sign. Then you would come down and just select what fields you want. In this case, I chose first name and last name. You'll see it goes from core information to your panelist attributes. Here we have the car type or car brand. And then at the very end, I'm going then into household information, and I did choose state. So I want to know what state these people are located in under household. So I'm just going to click save here. If you created a new definition, once you chose your fields, you would do the same. You would click save. Now you want to do the new export. You're going to choose your definition and you're going to click save. Now you'll follow this. If it's a long list, if there's a lot of people on it, it might take a little bit longer to load. This one didn't take any time at all. So this green light is telling me I'm ready to export. If it's not ready to export, your intuition might be to do your refresh here. What you really want to do though, if you read this, is come down here and do a refresh to see if the button color has updated. Now that I have this, I can just click save. I'm going to save it. My export is complete. So if I came back to this list, say we use this list for another study or there's other information I wanted to get, I've regenerated this list because we've added on more sessions. I could come back here and use the refresh, and what this does, it refreshes the people that were part of this export earlier. So now I'm going to go in. I am going to open up my definition. And what I'm going to see is this. Oops, sorry. It's underneath. Okay. So I could see the different car brands. I could see whether it's false or true. I could see the names. I could see the state. What I like to do first is just do a Control F, replace my falses with nothing so I could see my trues. And now I could do something with this data and amend my view responses to add this extra data for the evaluator. Again, you're going to go into this questionnaire, into the list, you're going to click on manage, you're going to do export list, either create or use a definition that's already created, and then you're going to do your new export. If you have any questions regarding this, please let us know.